we hear sounds, we are changed, we are no longer the same after having heard certain sounds. And this is the more the case when we hear organized sounds, organized by another human being. Music.
Amped, looking forward to catching a few snapper. Wish me luck. Close to lunchtime, sun shining, a few birds. Lindy likes to call them the birdies. Here's old Frick. Got a fish on ya? Don't think it's a little snapper, don't think anything too big. First fish for the day. This guy's coming home. How cool is this? Can you see it there in the background behind me? Nice little rainbow. The wind's died down. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Nice, some sunshine. Loving it. Just wish the old snapper would bite a little bit more. But it is what it is. Yeah, so it's been a pretty busy day of fishing. Lots of hookups. Like lots of hookups. But only two were decent size. The rest of them were very small. Oh, there we are again. Like this is, I'm not even kidding, this is probably my 15th hookup for the day. So loads of those. He's probably maybe on 30 centimeters, but I don't think I don't think I'll take him. I'm probably going to let him go. Let's just have a look here, just for interest's sake. Yeah, he's just on 30 centimeters, so he'll go back. I don't really want to. He's a legal size fish, but yeah, let him go. Again, obviously he's not even legal size. That's him again. He's probably 25 centimeters. Yeah, quite small. We'll let him go home. A fish this size is legal on the west coast, so if you're fishing at Raglan Way, you'll probably take this, but you're not going to get any, you'll get hardly any meat off that, so you're wasting your time. I think a fish like that would probably only feed like maybe be a snack for one person. Let's try this again, and let's see. I'll give it a toss here, and we'll see how this goes. Just slow jig it down to the bottom. Let's see how we go here. This lure kind of flutters down to the sea floor like a dying bait fish, and the snapper just can't resist it. Well, today they just haven't been able to resist it. I've literally tried all my other slider lures and I've had some good bites on them, but this thing has just been insane. So it's hit the bottom. Now I'm just going to give it a slow jig. Let's see how we go. And on. Just insane. It's all these small baby snapper at the bottom, but I'll tell you what, this has got to be my new favorite lure, hands down. You can feel it's there, there's not much of a fight there. It's a small snapper, probably 25 centimeters around there again. But unfortunately you got to get through all these small little ones to get to the bigger ones, and the bigger ones, they get big because they don't bite every single lure that comes down. They're a bit more intelligent. These smaller ones, they just go for everything. But yeah, unfortunately should I say, another small one. You can feel it here, no fight, but it'd be nice to use this lure definitely in summertime when the big snapper are back, because this thing is an absolute charm. This lure, this slow jig, catch double trouble, is incredible. There we go. Straight away, straight in the mouth, and he's gone back. I've just flicked it again. The lure in, dropped it to the bottom, busy running to death and fluttering down to the floor. I must say this this lure is just insane. Yeah, so let's give it a go. I've always just used the sliders because it's always just seemed like the easiest way. You know, the slow jigging is, they're back on again. Look at that. One as expected, no surprises here, but I'll keep tossing it in because you just never know. This lure might just fall in front of the snapper that I'm looking for, and it gets to the big one before these small ones intercept it. But yeah, been having a lot of fun with this. Just still have some battery out. Yeah, got a bit of battery here. Let's see how it goes. Another toss. Yeah, now we just let it free spool down to the bottom until it hits the floor. Let's see. It's getting quite choppy now. Quite a bit of chop and swell coming through here. So I don't think we'll be here much longer. Let's give it one or two more drops and then see how it goes. Should be close to the floor. Okay, we're on the floor. Okay, now we start just giving it a slow little jig. Up, let it flutter back down. Flutter back down. On again. It's too easy. There's a kahawai. You have a nice little fight. These are really good smoked, but I don't have a smoker at home. They taste good. Crumb does well, but we'll let them go back. I've hooked up onto another kahawai here, and I'll tell you what, they give it a little fight, eh? Yeah. Let's get this around here. Yeah. Just like the old snapper, they just can't refuse. They just can't help themselves. It's actually a pretty good size kahawai, if I say so myself. There's probably 55 to 60 centimeters. It's a good size fish. You can go back in the drink. Another kahawai, it seems. Yeah. Yeah, there's definitely another kahawai. Oh. Yeah, all I want is a good size snapper. I've had nothing but small snapper and bloody kahawais, bloody cockroaches, man. Don't want those things. I want flipping snapper, bro. Yeah, it's kahawai again, unfortunately. It's just running sideways, eh? Yeah. And characteristically, they jump out of the water. Yeah, this thing going side backwards, man. I took my line for a bit of a run, but I've got him in now. Wait, my man. Yep. Yeah. He's got a bit of grunt on him, eh? Yeah, check this out. Mame. Yeah. 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 Another big size kahawai. Flipping hell, this guy gave me a bit of a fight, eh? Oh, he's still going. No, but stop now. It's over. I'm gonna let you go. I'm gonna let you go. Yeah, whoa. Yeah. Still running. Yep. Another kahawai. Check the size of that boy. That's my biggest fish of the day. The good size.